Hello guys, good morning. So another day, another vlog. So we have here amahong and we are going to cook this amahong. We're just waiting for the pan to heat up and then I'm gonna put an oil. Oh, it's not. My hinaling is not working. Oh, I think it's working. And the finished product is
Mahing.
mahing.
Bakit na internet?
Ang lako po dahil. Ayaw. No.
May lami munto sa tadyo.
Hugasan.
Paint a picture in my head. Rewrite every word you said. I get so lonely I forget all the reasons why I left. I've been dancing in the dark and falling out of bars, making out with versions of you. Here comes the hardest part. Remember how we started, forget the word, blur the fuse. I hope you feel better while you're sleeping on your own. I may be hurting now, but I'm better off alone. Better off alone. I can feel you now, even though you're not around. And I might miss your hand in mine. Don't make it right. I've been dancing in the dark and falling out of bars. Versions of you. Here comes the hardest part. Remember how we started, forgetting what blew the fuse. I hope you feel better while you're sleeping on your own. I may be hurting now, but I'm better off
Hasay. Hasay. Galakaw, gikan dito. Ay, Diyos ko, Ginoo Lord. Bukad ilong. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Mga linhasay. So, manghinhas mi to the pit. Dayon, galakaw mi. Gikan dito. Asa man to? Dito. Somewhere dito. Anyway, Walking down Dahonasan. Muha mi og salwaki and whatever you can get from the sea. Atsada oh. Bago. Wow. Ayan, okay. Ayan. Ganda yarn. Alright. So my mother is over there. Si mama nahato nang ipala siya salwaki. While me is right over here. Nakita ko siyok. Kay mura ako makaon. I don't know if na I haven't checked yet. But I don't know if there's... Oh, there is. Na ay joke. Oh yeah, na ay amahong. Just like what I ate, I think the other day. But anyways, this is how it looks like after you get it from like this sea stones. And then I'm gonna clean this up. Just gonna remove all the stuffs attached to it. But anyways, I saw siyok there. I'm gonna get that and I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, and there's fish. This fish we used to catch this when we were little and then just play with it. I thought this was what you call the goldfish, but no, it was not. So anyways, I'm gonna get that siyok over there and I'm gonna eat it. Okay.
Crazy how I feel, but something in my heart is saying that it's real, and I'm on the move when I'm with you. Oh, don't need to make a sound, don't need no words to say.
My mother is super layo na. Over there. And it's so hot. But I don't know what they're doing. But I think they are getting their fishes, getting the fish out of the net or something. I don't know. Mainit kaya. Basta si Mr. Sun, no? I don't know. It's Tosolao. I don't know if I was able to Yeah, that's toyom. Toyom, toyom, toyom. Buka kayo, no? Yes.
Sa kumuha dahil ko.
Nako na. Excuse me.
Unya lagi na yun na. Oo. Ano nalala mo ka ng sky blue?
Pagmurot na eh.
Nala.
May rolyo imong ipadati ng mga dark blue. Oo. Para tsada siya.
Subo na siya panang
Kaya si Mikay mamulukos ra ba nagduol?
May kaya na eh.
nahulat ko.
Bahina! Daghan po kayo ng uban. Pinihig-pihig.
Yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity.
Oh, yun ba? No. Asa na mo kami kay? Daraharay mo, oh!
We could be
Naligo.
underground,
Motroy.
make it feel like space. Yeah. Oh, baby, you hold me down just like this gravity. Gravity.
Na, wala na si Tagsa. Pawis na ni si Mikay!
Gravity. Gravity.
Oh, ade!